Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas F3 Electric Bike is an impressive choice for adults seeking both speed and convenience. With its powerful 1500W motor, it delivers a peak performance that transforms daily commutes into thrilling rides. The motor provides robust acceleration, making it easy to navigate through city traffic or tackle steep hills without breaking a sweat. The maximum speed reaches around 30 miles per hour, allowing for a quick and exhilarating experience. One of the standout features of the Aipas F3 is its 48V 12.8AH lithium battery, which not only supports the high motor output but also ensures a decent range. Depending on the mode of use, whether in full electric mode or pedal assist, riders can expect a range of approximately 30 to 50 miles on a single charge. This makes it ideal for both short trips and longer journeys, allowing for flexibility in daily use without the constant worry of running out of power. The bike's design is sleek and modern, appealing to a wide audience. The sturdy aluminum frame provides stability while remaining lightweight for easy handling. Additionally, the adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars enhance rider comfort, making long rides enjoyable. The front suspension system absorbs bumps effectively, ensuring a smooth ride on various terrains. Safety features are also well considered, with front and rear disc brakes that offer reliable stopping power even at higher speeds. The bright LED front light and reflectors enhance visibility during night rides, which is crucial for urban use. However, it's worth noting that the assembly process can be a bit challenging for those unfamiliar with bike mechanics, so some prior experience or professional help may be beneficial. Overall, the Aipas F3 Electric Bike stands out as a versatile and powerful option that blends performance with comfort, making it an excellent investment for anyone looking to elevate their cycling experience. Whether for commuting or leisure, it promises to deliver a satisfying ride every time.